What's going on? The big day is finally here. The Byrne Dairy in Endicott, and yes, I did pronounce it correctly, is finally open. We've been following this for about a year here on the channel, doing progress updates on the construction and the demolition of Friendlies. So here's the pumps. Look very modern. They take tap to pay, which I always like to see as a technology nerd. And right now the gas prices are ridiculous, but $4.89.99 if you're a non-member and $3.99 if you're a member. So we're gonna go inside and see exactly what being a member means. And the store is right behind us over here. So let's go check it out. We got some firewood over there. Wow, look at that coffee bar. That's crazy.
This is so nice, it's on my way to work, so I'll eventually get it down to those signs.
They got the coolers over here, which look like they aren't 100% stocked yet. Milk. I guess that would make sense for a store called Byrne Dairy. Lots of drinks. You know, it's not quite as big inside as I thought it would be, and it looks like in the middle here they've got all the various snack aisles and food and whatnot. And then over here they have a hot bar with some pizza, breakfast sandwiches. I always like to see that. They've got, they're hiring too. There you go. Your typical convenience store drinks over here. Little seating area over here along with the restrooms. There's the menu up there, giant deli sandwiches. You know, I bet they taste better and look better than Friendlies used to. Little pizza oven over there.